All right, so we'll move on and we'll talk about chars. So a char is a character. So a char is equal to a character, right? So something like this, H or B or $, or the ampersand, etc. Or even just a space like that, that's also a character. How do we define a character? Well, let's go ahead and create a new file here, just to get things very well organized. We're gonna call variable char. And copy it all here. And delete all of this. Okay, so how do we create a character variable? Yes, there we go. So we say var, and we're gonna call this my char, and we can implicitly say m, like that. Now, notice a few things here. When we talked about strings, we had double quotes. Now, characters, we have single quotes. So that's the basic distinction between a character and a string. Notice if we were to put char. And get rid of that and put it all outside like that, and then we'll be able to concatenate new char. In fact, we have to say here, there we go. So save, we should have MB. Let's run this. Or BM, I should say, because new char is being called first. So BM. All right, perfect. So now you understand the difference between characters and strings. The main distinction here is that with strings, we have to have double quotes. With characters, we only have one single quotes, which also means for characters, we only are allowed to have one character. Okay, we can't put more than one because, again, we're talking about buckets here. So if we say this bucket only fits character, it should only fit characters. There's exceptions, but for now, I want you to think in those terms. All right, perfect. So now you've learned a lot of things here. You've learned about strings, you've learned about integer, the distinction between doubles and integer, the distinction between doubles and floats, okay, and also you learn about booleans and now characters. So with all of this information, you were able to do a lot of great things here with Kotlin. So I want you to go ahead and play around with this concept with all these variables types that we've learned here. And they are very important, as you will see in our next videos as we start building a little bit more complex programs. All right, perfect. Good job, and I will see you in the next video.